Hi guys, how you doing? It's been a long time since I did a video. Okay, Gibson bag. It's not a Gibson inside. It's my guitar kit build. It's been a while since I've worked on this until recently. Okay, right. So my last video was the demo. It had open coil humbuckers. It had mix match plastics, and we had some problems afterwards trying to play it and getting fret buzz all over the place, and I worked on it, filed the frets level without destroying it. Okay, alright, so this is it so far. We've got this beautiful finish, which is like a tortoise shell. Original knobs that from the first video. It came with all black accents, and I changed it. So now we have this nice light cream plastics from Hosco. Couldn't get a poker chip light enough from Hosco, so I went with a cream, or is it ivory? I can't remember. Which is very close, and it looks very well. Right, so up top here, okay, up the top here, we've gone for a blank headstock. Back of the headstock is, if I can get it in the lines, is my kit's birthdays. Long stem tuners, because the added veneer on it. I added a 0.5 mil veneer, sanded it down, got a nice pattern to it. Let me get it there. Nice pattern to it. It is a flamed maple veneer. Okay, a bit of colour. As you know, with my other videos, I'm a model maker, so I used a bit of ink and wash and tried to get the body colour, and failed. Okay, right, so this is it as it is. It's all put together, and excuse me, a bit croaky this morning. Set it up, neck was fine, tighten the strings, and everything still seems fine. When I was doing tests between frets, I was getting no buzz down on the low E, no buzz down the IE and B string, and I was getting fret buzz with 3 strings on the first 3, possibly 4 frets. I'm not willing to sort it out. I'm not willing to take it to a professional to sort out, because it would cost me an arm and a leg. Excuse me, about £120 to do a fret redress and leveling and everything else. So this is it as it is. This is the body for you, covered in true oil. It's coming out gorgeous. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm not going to sell it. I'm probably just going to find a box from the attic and put it away. Got a satin neck, because I like a satin neck. And yeah, that's that. So next video I'll probably do a demo when I get my hands working, and yeah, okay, so like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, I'll try and answer them as best I can. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.